Good day, sir. This is my video of myself by explaining the question given, entitled Role of Being a Seafarer. Role of being a seafarer in protecting the environment. As a seafarer, we have a big role in protecting the environment because the sea is where we belong, where we live, and we work. We have a big role in protecting the sea by maintain its cleanliness and properly managing waste, avoiding oil spills, and following rules that prevent pollution. We also make sure our ship is safe to avoid accidents that can harm the sea and marine animals. By using fuel wisely and enduring the ship carefully, we help reduce the air pollution and protect the nature. Dako po kay parte sa protekta sa environment kay labi na sa dagat kay asa si pero dira man ta molabay o dira tatig agi o dira magkuhag ngitaan ang mangingisda o ano nang gasa po ni sa Ginoo kaning environment labi na kanang dagat mo nang ato ning kinahanglang protektahan ato ning ipa natiling hinlo aron dili kani ma-polluted o aron walay mga napuyo nini nga magsindag kamatay mara to.